Hey, my name is Kalam. In this video, I'm going to show you how to exactly create a website using AI. It's absolutely free. So if you are really interested to learn about it, please keep watch full video because no one on online show you like me. If you are watch full video, I guarantee you can create a website like me. So stay tuned. At first, going to hocoos.com. Then you need to log in here. When you log in, you can see this is a dashboard, so you can choose what type of website you need right now. So I choose online store. So what is your category? Example of beauty, sports, clothes, home and household, food and beverage, and others. So I create a food and food related. Example of coffee store. So you can select any others and marketing any others. This doesn't matter. So you need to click for continue. Now you can choose a option. Example of I choose this one, then continue. You can choose any others. This doesn't matter. Now what category, what type of website you need? An example of sell product, write a blog or e-commerce and any other. So I want to sell my copy. A copy. This is a coffee house actually. Now, if you have a business area, business address, you select number one. And if you don't have any online or physical location, you can choose online business only. So I can choose this one. Then you can choose your business name. Example of I choose coffeeshop.com. This is an example only. Now select to highlight three unique aspects of your business. So I choose friendly service and this two. You can choose any other example of affordable price. So this does not matter. Now choose how would like your visitor contact you. Example of if you input your phone number, then your customer and visitor contact this phone number, email address, and I choose website contact from. You see, this is a website preview. So I choose other style. Just click second style. If you want to change any, just click this option. So I don't like this. Just click third style. I like this one. So if you want to change this color, just click number two, number three. Oh, this is beautiful. So now you choose your font size. Example of focus. This is others. So this is really cool and beautiful. So I choose number one. This is a perfect size. So just click create my website. My website is ready for publish. You can put your brand logo, change whom, about us, contact us, and you can add your others option. This anyone can change it. This doesn't matter, so I don't need to change. This is for demo website. So I click just view website. If you want to transfer this website to your own domain address, this is easy. So if you want to learn about more topic related video, please watch others video. and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Thank you.